Meaning of inorganic.
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 Inorganic. The term inorganic refers to substances that are not derived from living organisms. Inorganic substances are typically composed of non-carbon-based compounds, such as minerals and metals. Unlike organic substances, they do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Inorganic substances play a critical role in many natural and industrial processes. For example, they form the basis of many fertilizers, catalysts, and electronic components. They also serve as important building blocks in geological formations, such as rocks and minerals. In summary, the term inorganic refers to substances that are not derived from living organisms and are typically composed of non-carbon-based compounds.